Okay, ngithe nginibize lapha sibonisane something lapho ngana ihambi kahle lapha kwami lapha because mina ngulandlord wena umaster wena nina namaloja and I understand we are from Zimbabwe and you're from Zimbabwe we are here to just nibheke imuli zena ngithi and the man hambe emsebenzini please don't say ngihlala ku 6127 batshela abelungu bakho no I'm a lodger there my landlord is Mr. Dube right so lapha the issue is when last week bekune funeral umnakho bekashonile ngithi you bring your people here is this a funeral parlor and the other issue when you have a problem ufika lapha bewusinki then ungabe yalosiswa ngithi manhlalo ngena this Kangela she's pregnant now ingane yahlala now umunye now so it's 1000 you rent 2000 ngithi so now you plus 1 3000 you have to sort it out ubona ukuthi ngizokwenza kanjani bayinyanga kuphela ngithi right wena une problem yesterday bewuthandaza lapho you're making noises this is a church wena nibani bathi maningi abantu be-church yakho nabapasta bathi making noise la so instead of 2000 so it's 2.5 rent yakho ngithi uma ufuna ukuthandaza uya esontweni uyathandaza ma unenkinga maningi ama-church estrati nothandaza estrati nangithi wena unenkinga wena uya nabangani bakho lapha nesikaniidake bayenza umsindo bayarasa what's wrong with you this is not a tavern this is not a beer hall this is not a sports bar you understand you understand me yes. And when want you to sing when I want to sing lapha izolo ngibona usevimini lamsisi why bafunani iayini awuna ndlu you don't have any home awuna ayini then why are you here why ungahambe emakhaya uyolima uyobiza baya emakhaya I don't want problems it's not ukuthi mina ngiyalhlupha ngithi and okunye niyasebenza ngithi you know this time you are getting ama bonuses this is December you can't even once you surprise your landlord now grocery nyana izolo wena ubuya negrocery yakho wena especially wena ubuya negrocery yakho engaka ubuya namapizza namaphie nama-cold drink uyangena endlini laphana kwakho ugabisela iy'ngane zami uyangena endlini laphana sewuqalisa uyafrya sowuvula ama-winds then what's your intention mayibabo sabuthwala ubunzima ngolandlord landlord bazisa liq basithatha rafu njengamantshontsho umsebenzi akusoqala kuba ngumastanda kukhona ukhona ongazi ukuthi ukhosi namazolo na ukuloja ibuyanga yebo lokulojisa ibuyanga sengindaba mlonyeni njengesela legwamba elitshontsha ngozwayo ngifela khona ukuloja zwi njengoba ngiyisihlithele sikamasitanda singabalezi ndisonke kuzaloja bani loja kubani iloja inyanga ngaphela